Philippines, the death toll from severe tropical storm has claimed 45 lives. The heavy rains have inundated most rural areas.
What if disaster strikes right now? Are you ready? Or will you regret not being prepared? Hey lovies, compact emergency survival kit with me! First is a first aid kit. Bandages, antiseptics, and medical supplies to treat minor injuries and prevent infections. A flashlight is also needed because power outages can happen. You need to find your way in the dark. Next up, batteries, keeping your flashlight, radio, and other essentials powered up. Next are essentials to stay clean and healthy even in an emergency. Extra clothes is also needed. Staying dry and warm is crucial, especially in harsh weather conditions. Non-perishable food can keep you nourished for days. Medicines, basic first aid meds to stay healthy and prepared. Next up, important documents. Birth certificates and IDs are important to keep your identity and records safe. A charger so you can contact someone when needed. And lastly, water. Staying hydrated is key to survival. Disasters are unpredictable, but preparation can save lives. A well-packed survival kit ensures you have the essentials to stay safe, healthy, and connected during any crisis. Protect yourself and your loved ones. Be prepared, stay ready, and stay safe.